Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you the breathtaking experience I had during my recent visit to Norelia. If you are a nature lover like me, you are in for a treat because I stumbled upon a hidden treasure, Bomburu Ella, also known as Ella Falls. So it was my school vacation in December and we decided to explore the wonders of Norelia. I've seen quite a few waterfalls around here, but there was one that had eluded me, Bomburu Ella. So guys, now we have arrived to a new place. So right now we are heading to the Bomburu Ella. It's such a nice waterfall and I've been hoping to see it for a long time. And also you can see such a beautiful surrounding behind me. Located at the border of Norelia and Badula district, approximately 14 kilometers from Norelia town, Bomburu Ella is a captivating waterfall nestled in the Paranagama Divisional Secretariat of Sri Lanka. Since we accommodated ourselves at the center of the Norelia, reaching this stunning spot was a breeze. As we arrived early in the morning, we decided to skip breakfast, thinking we could grab something near the waterfall. And boy, was that a great call from my dad. We feasted on delicious pancakes and coconut roti with spicy curries, gearing up for the upcoming hike. The trail through the forest was narrow and adventurous, especially with the rain adding an extra layer of excitement. The sound of nature surrounded us as we made our way to the waterfall. And then, there it was, Bomburu Ella, at its peak glory due to the rainy season. I have to admit, I was a bit scared to approach, but with my dad by my side, we got up close and personal with this magnificent beauty. Well, guys, there are 3 sections to explore at Bomburu Ella. The lower section is the easiest to access, while the mid and upper sections offer even more breathtaking views. But beware, it requires extra effort and caution due to the slippery rocks and the sudden changes in the falls. Capturing the beauty proved to be a challenge, especially from the bottom of the falls, with the drizzling surroundings. Our cameras were constantly getting covered in water, but it was totally worth it. And there you have it guys, Bomburu Ella, a must visit if you are ever in Norelia. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel content and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay adventurous.